Hey guys, so today's video is not really going to be a tutorial video, so I'm not going to do a voiceover throughout the whole video, but I just wanted to say a few things to start off this video. So today the hair I'm using in this video is the hair from my hair company, which is Candygirl Extensions. And yes y'all, we will be relaunching in July. I'm so excited. Not being active on Candygirl has been like so hard because it's just like I'm so passionate about my business, so like all I want to do is post about my business and talk about my business. But I've just been in the process of rebranding with the new logo, new Instagram feed, new website, like new everything. So I'm super excited because in July we will be relaunching. The only reason I'm not giving a specific date is just because literally the only thing I'm waiting on is just for my website to be finished, and once my website is finished I will be ready to go. So it's just like when you're working with other people, it's like you can't really give a specific date just because I can't really control when she's going to be done with the website and everything will be up and running. So yeah, but I know it will be done within this month, because if not, somebody gonna have to catch these hands. But anyways, in today's video I'm using an HD frontal. This is 14 inches and it's body wave, and I'm using 3 bundles. It's 20, 22 and 24 inches. This is a custom frontal wig that I made myself. I hand sewed it. I usually machine sew my units, but I don't know, I just felt like hand sewing this wig. So this is a custom frontal wig that I made, and I dyed it, everything myself. So I'm like so obsessed with this like ombre but with a little bit of highlights. Like I'm so obsessed with how this color came out. And y'all, our Candygirl hair is so bomb. As y'all can see, like this hair can get really light. It could get a lot lighter than this, but she didn't want it to be like platinum. If you really wanted to dye this hair from black to platinum, you could. Like this hair gets really blonde, and that's something that I can't say for all hair companies, because not all hair bleaches and lightens the same. So that's a really good thing about Candygirl hair, just FYI. But anyways, yeah, so like I said, this isn't really a tutorial, but I just wanted to show y'all me doing this bomb install with this HD frontal. I'm really obsessed with how this color came out. I'm obsessed with how the layering came out. I've been working on my layering lately, so I'm really satisfied with how the layers came out in this hair. And this is my friend Timo, so I know y'all gonna see my nephew in this, so like this is my friend, so like it's not nothing weird or whatever. But yeah, I'm glad she really loved the hair because this was her first time doing color. I'm so happy I finally convinced her to do some color, and I'm glad that she loved it because I loved it. Like I wanted to wear this wig. Also, I wanted to say that I do make custom units, so if you want a custom wig made, custom color, customization, meaning plucking, bleaching the knots, all of that, I do custom units. So you can always check the description box for my email. You can email me, or you can check out my new Instagram, or I just made an Instagram for my just like my hairstyling page. Like I have a hair page for my Candygirl, but then I just feel like I needed another page for like my actual hairstylist page. So I just felt like I needed another page to show off all of my hair work, and just to have an easy funnel to my booking page, and just everything could be direct and just on one page. So yeah, I do have my hairstylist page. It's Did by Sedity. The Instagram is at Did by Sedity, and that's SADIDDY. So yeah, go follow my hair page if you wanted to get a custom unit, or if you wanted to book an appointment. I am in the Atlanta area, so you know, keep that in mind. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all turn on y'all's post notifications because your girl is getting consistent. So make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss no videos. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. My Instagram and Snapchat is always in the description box and in the beginning of the video. But yeah, make sure y'all turn on the post notifications. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like this video. If you like how this install came out, make sure you drop a like for me, okay? Also, let me know some video suggestions that y'all would like to see. I have a few videos coming up that I already know that I want to post, but I still want to know what you guys want to see from me as well. So let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now and let y'all enjoy this video. So I hope y'all enjoy, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.